In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on QTUM future while talking about QTUM cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like QTUM. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the QTUM value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that QTUM is a wise venture or not, for what reason will QTUM succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will QTUM value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is QTUM and its to-date history. QTUM Introduction. QTUM is an open-source, decentralized blockchain stage and worth exchange convention. It can execute shrewd agreements on numerous virtual machines and run conditions with confirmation of stake agreement. It is a crossbreed Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain stage. QTUM, articulated quantum, was made by adding a record reflection layer on top of a Bitcoin fork code to permit sidechain mix with blockchain virtual machines like the Ethereum virtual machine. This half-and-half model consolidates the best-case scenario, adding Bitcoin's worth putting away abilities to Ethereum's brilliant agreement stage. In WAC 2017, QTUM sent off a crowdfunding effort to look for assets for the improvement to their new blockchain-based stage. The crowd share was planned to most recent 30 days, or until all tokens were sold. QTUM sold north of $10 million of its tokens after just an hour and a half, in the long run raising a complete worth of $15.7 million, preceding halting the mission right on time after just 5 days. They raised an aggregate sum of 11,156.766 bitcoins, BTC, and 77,081.031 Ether, ETH, in return for the 51 million QTUM tokens being conveyed to people in general. Despite the fact that anybody can utilize QTUM, the QTUM establishment is centered around business uses of shrewd agreements. Their objective is working with the change from heritage frameworks and maturing associations over to blockchain-based arrangements that increment computerization and diminishing expense. QTUM Value Expectation 2022. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. QTUM Value Forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022, preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022, 2022 October minus 12.00% $2.62. 2022 November minus 33.38% $1.98. 2022 December minus 27.79% $2.15. 2023 January minus 19.07% $2.41. 2023 February minus 20.44% $2.37. 2023 blemish minus 14.44% $2.55. 2023 April minus 11.15% $2.65. 2023 May minus 3.60% $2.87. 2023 June plus 1.83% $3.03. 2023 July plus 11.13% $3.31. 2023 August plus 9.22% $3.25. 2023 September plus 16.40% $3.47. QTUM value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees QTUM coming to $5.78 in 2025. What will QTUM be worth in 5 years? The cost of QTUM in 5 years could lie around $0. QTUM value forecast 2030 to 2040. What QTUM will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees QTUM coming to $0 in 2030. What QTUM will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees QTUM coming to $0 in 2040. Will QTUM supplant / outperform / overwhelm Bitcoin? No, QTUM won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might QTUM at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for QTUM to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. How high will QTUM go? Our gauging model sees QTUM cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is QTUM worth purchasing? We don't see a brilliant future for QTUM. It merits purchasing just as a transient theory with a decent leave system. QTUM is certainly not a decent long-haul hold. Is QTUM a wise venture? QTUM is certainly not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed, it faces a savage rivalry from other comparative crypto projects. Doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certified local area, not including examiners and publicity pursuing group, and the group behind the undertaking is dubious. Might QTUM at any point make you a mogul? No, QTUM could not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. What amount will QTUM be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $1.77. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it will undoubtedly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will QTUM succeed and get more expensive? QTUM has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage, it brings no interesting offer, it has a frail group and little local area.